Time now for News Talk. Joining me in studio, Jermiko Thomas and Gary Harvey. Now, Gary we've known for years because he's always around. He's a good advocate for children's reading. Jermiko is a local author, and we were just reminiscing a little bit. Jermiko, I covered you in high school playing hoops over at Notre Dame. It's been a long time. You're looking good, and you've written a book, and the title is The Fearless Boy is Inventive. Tell me how this whole project came about.
The whole project came about as I was writing the book. I had my own fears of I was shy as a little kid, and when I was thinking, I said, "Oh, let me make an impact on the kids and everybody that's going to read it in the future and everything." So I made the book. It's reflective of me. Basically, he's overcoming his fears, thunder and lightning. He's had to figure a way how to cure the thunder and lightning so that he can overcome his fears, like I did with me being shy.
That's awesome. And Gary, you've known Jermiko a long time.
I have.
This is a young man that didn't talk for a while. You can't tell by talking to him now, that's for sure.
That's true. Jason, he didn't speak for his first 6 years in his life, and he saw many specialists that misdiagnosed him, and then they realized it was a hearing issue. They got it corrected, and now he's published, and he's willing to help others to overcome their challenges.
It's important to you, isn't it, Jermiko, to be able to help not just other people, but people within your community?
Yes, it's definitely important because I want to make the impact on the community as it was on me. I had great parents, a great support system, and a great group of friends that had confidence in me, and that can make me grow and help me out a lot.
This book, talk to me a little about the process, and not just starting to write it, but then it's not easy to get anything published. It's easier than it used to be when Gary and I were growing up, but now it's a little bit easier. But how did you go through that process?
The process is that I had to make sure the writing's right, the picture's right, the coloring of the picture's right, the size of the book. It's a tough process, but I sat down, I figured everything out, I took notes and everything. It took me months and months on top of it. Once I got everything liked, I had a proofread for the pictures and the words that go on it. After that, it passed. Then I sent it to a publisher, then it gave me a notification. Everything's good, it's ready to go.
What's the response been like so far?
To me, honestly, I'm very surprised on it, but it's been excellent. I heard everything. It was great. No negative feedback. This one lady talked to me. She loved the book for the kid, and she realizes that it's a good book for her son, and she encourages people to get my book. I'm very thankful for that.
Gary, talk a little bit about the process of, watching Jermiko grow up, and now here he is. He's an author.
Yes, I'm very proud of Jermiko. I mean, he's come a long ways. He was a great athlete in high school, played for Notre Dame basketball and Mike Durr. But what I'm really proud of him is how he's using the STEM concept to help teach others through science, math, technology, and engineering. And I really like the fact that he's focusing on helping children to learn how to read at an early age, and because reading is essential for them to grow and develop.
Now, the character in the story, his name's Walter.
Yes.
And he's a fearless inventor.
Yes.
Explain a little bit about that.
Yeah, because again, the book is a reflection of me because I want to send a message out there and that anything's possible. I had to make him invent something so to overcome his fears is like real life. Like basically, I was shy and I had to come out figuring ways out how to overcome it. But I got lucky and I'm fortunate to have a good mom and dad in my life, so they stuck with me and they pushed it and encouraged me to do what I want to do and go for it.
And here's a picture of the book right there, and you can find it at the website. Yep. You can sign up and get it right at your website, right?
Yes.
Fearlessboy.com, also on Amazon.com.
Yes.
Jermiko, proud of you, my friend.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yep, thank you.
Gary always